Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 1997 Hyundai Excel X3 GX coupe, stock reference number 5164. This shape runs from the 5th month 1996 through to the 4th month 1998. It has a G4 EK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive gearbox. G4 EK single overhead cam 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Bonnet has multiple small dents. Front bumper cover faded on the top edge. Right hand headlight, right hand quarter light, left hand headlight, left hand corner light. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left manual door mirror. Left front 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left door has 4 small dents. Left rear 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, boot spoiler. Right tail light. Rear bumper faded on the top edge as well. Right rear 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right door has 3 dents. Right front guard has 1 small dent. Right manual door mirror and a right front 13-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, manual window winder. This vehicle is fitted with green and grey cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.